Your Toshiba TV turns on. You can hear the sound perfectly, but the screen is pitch black. Don't panic. This is a common problem. And in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to fix it step by step without any tools, expensive repairs, or technical knowledge. Stick around till the end because I'll also show you one quick test that tells you whether it's your screen or the backlight causing the issue. Let's start with the easiest fix, a power cycle reset. Turn off your Toshiba TV and unplug it from the wall, not from the remote, the actual plug. Once it's unplugged, count to 60 slowly or set a timer on your phone. It's important not to rush this step because you want all leftover electricity to drain out of the system. After 1 full minute, plug the TV back in and turn it on. This simple reset works like rebooting your phone. It clears temporary glitches that stop the display from turning on. If your picture is back, great. If not, don't worry. We're just getting started. Next, let's check your connections. Unplug every cable from your TV except the power cord. That means HDMI, USB, or any external device. Then, turn your TV back on. If you can see the Toshiba logo or menu appear, that's good news. Your screen is fine. It means one of the cables or devices you unplugged is likely the culprit. To find out which one, plug them back in one by one, checking each time. Also, make sure your HDMI ports are clean and the cables are fully seated. If you have an extra HDMI cable, try that too. Bad cables are one of the most common hidden causes of display problems. If that didn't work, it's time for a deeper reset. Unplug the TV again and find the physical power button on the TV itself, not on the remote. Press and hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds. This drains out any residual power left inside the components and helps clear electrical memory. Wait another 30 seconds before plugging it back in and turning it on. Don't worry if it takes a few tries. Sometimes TVs just need a bit of patience to reset properly. If you're still facing the same problem, your power source might be the issue. If your TV is plugged into a surge protector, smart plug, or extension cord, remove it and connect the TV directly to the wall socket. Those extra devices can sometimes restrict voltage and cause the screen to stay black, even though you hear sound. To be sure the outlet works, test it with another device like a phone charger or lamp. And if you suspect the socket itself might be weak, try another outlet in the room. Use the flashlight test to check if your Toshiba TV's screen is still working. Turn the TV on with sound playing, then shine a flashlight at the screen from close range and at an angle. If you see faint images or movement, the backlight has likely failed and needs replacement. If you see nothing at all, the issue could be with the TV's internal board or screen panel, and you should contact Toshiba support or a technician. If you've made it this far and found any of these steps helpful, hit the like button. It really helps the channel and tells me to make more videos like this. Hopefully, one of these methods brought your Toshiba TV back to life without needing a repair. If it did, drop a comment below and let me know which step worked for you. It might help someone else too. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple at-home TV and tech fixes.